if I leave this world tomorrow, don't you cry too long for me. I've been walking through the shadows, but there's a light I want to see. Maybe God's got something greater than this fight I couldn't win. So I'll close my eyes in silence and let His mercy pull me in. Thy will be done. Lord, I'm laying down my pride. I've carried all my demons. Now I'm ready for the ride. If there's truth beyond this highway, past the pain and all the scars, then take me home tonight. Lord, I'm reaching for the stars. I've made peace with all my failures and the hell I've walked on through. Ain't no preacher ever told me what my heart already knew. There's a grace that don't need earning, and a love that don't let go. If heaven's waiting yonder, then I'm finally going home. Thy will be done. Lord, I ain't running anymore. This soul's been tired of wandering, knocking on a locked front door. But if you're calling me to something more than I could understand, maybe you had a bigger dream than any man ever planned. So don't wear black for sorrow, just light a fire instead. Tell my story in a back road song and raise a glass of red. I ain't gone, I'm just moving to the other side of night, where the broken hearts get mended and the blind are given sight. Thy will be done. Lord, I trust you with it all. This road has been a battle, but I was listening through the fall. just heading toward the mystery.